How to use Samsung Circle to Search feature. Well, Samsung Circle to Search feature is only enabled in certain latest devices. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up settings to enable the Circle to Search. Then head over to display. Once you head over to display, you want to tap on navigation bar and make sure that the navigation bar is set to buttons here. Now, as you can see here, various option, gesture, hint and such, but if you're set to buttons, you'll see more options again, and you'll find the order right here. Now, however, you should be able to find the Circle to Search Digital Assistant app as well, as you can see. To enable it, make sure that you have enabled it, and also turn on Analyze on-screen images, so you'll find it right here. So in my case, it's not here on this device. Now all you got to do is go to any app, photo or video where you want to find the information, and then touch and hold the home button. Then you can see the option here to ask Gemini, right? Now in my case, this is enabled, but in your case, if the feature is enabled, you can use an S Pen to circle, highlight, scribble, or tap on an image, product, or text to use the search feature. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.